Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode. It is absolutely scorching hot in Tassie right now, mid-Jan 2025. I've got a new GoPro, I've got a new drone, so I really want to get it working, test it out, see how she goes. I've got a new headset as well, so hopefully it helps for you viewers as well. I'm back at Brumbies Creek. Now it's very low at the moment, so it's not giving me the best vibes in terms of catching trout, but it might liven up later, especially with the fly rod, which I don't have. But yeah, so it could go all right, it might not go all right. I'm not very hopeful at the moment, but it is a beautiful day, as you can see. And yeah, I'm gonna have a quick flip here at the Brumby Weir and see if I can get anything. Just going with their slide combo set from Dawa, or Dawa, wherever you want to pronounce it, Crossfire. I had 10-pound mono line before, now I've gone back to 6, which is a lot thinner and lighter and better for lure casting. See how we go with this one. Alrighty, gonna give this minnow a run. Black, yellow and red. Might go to another one. If this doesn't work, we'll see how she goes, but as you can see, it's very low. Don't really like it when it's this low. And it's stinking hot. Trout don't really like it when it's stinking hot, but anyway, see how she goes. Oh, that's good. Cast there. Be a bit cheeky and have a crack here. See if there's any fish sort of stuck in this little bit here. Usually can't fish it, but oh no, bugger. Yeah, so no good over there. I might have to relocate. I really want to get back on that other side and work up to the weir. Weir has some deeper water, but yeah, after fishing that bit, it didn't really give me that much confidence, so we'll see. Alright, head back to the car. Once I get up further up the river, I'll get the drone out and get some views. Might as well on a ripper day like this, eh? It's absolutely stinking hot. I reckon it's about 30 degrees, so I really wanted to cool down a little bit so the trout sort of come out and get active. The low water certainly doesn't help. There'll be a lot less on the chew, but so finding a trout in these conditions can be very, very difficult, especially on lure. My best bet is just to find a deep pocket and just a good cast where a trout might be hiding under some weeds or a bank, and see if they pop that lure. But yeah, we'll keep pursuing. I do hope it cools down a bit, because if it does, it's gonna get the fish out a bit more. But trout have got to eat at some point, don't they? I reckon if I can get one big fish, that's mission accomplished. If I get two, it would be absolutely fantastic. And I get three, that'd be unfreaking believable. because as I said before, I'm not really confident of catching one today, just due to the fact that it's very low. The fish might be targeting flies instead of the humble lure, but no doubt they're around. Like, they've got to be lurking somewhere, the old trout. I'm also going to look out for snakes as well. I don't want to step on one of those today. I've got shorts on, so yeah, I'm a little bit vulnerable in the long grass. See if we can get a fish. Well, that's what I'm afraid of. There's going to be lots of redfin perch in here. Look at this bad boy. The lure's nearly bigger than him. Bloody hell. This is the lowest I've seen brummies in a very long time. Usually you don't see this, the bottom here. It's usually really deep. I wonder if there's any trout sitting around here. Oh, yes there is. Yes, there was. A small trout. Had a look at it and then swam away. I'll go again. I thought he was about to eat it, to be honest. It's like he saw me and then swam away, but it wasn't a bad sign, eh? It wasn't a massive fish. I reckon he was only about half a pound, but still would have been all right. Yep, definitely had a trout follow just then, so that's a good sign. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on, baby. I need a fish for the video. Come on. Oh, what was that? Someone had a tap at that, I think. Maybe seeing things. Now this spot here looks really fishy. It looks like someone else has been fishing it too. The reason why I like it is a very nice deep gully in there. I reckon some fish might be hiding in the depths or under this bank. Looks alright. Casty cast. See what happens. Oh, looks really good here. Fish would hide here for sure. Oh! Oh! It was a bloody redfin. Got me excited for nothing. Bloody bastard. So I definitely had a fish hit, but it was a bloody redfin. Get out of my life. Redfin. Oh, I have one more cast of this weir on the other side. Might produce me a fish. Maybe. Oh, that was a hit. I had a hit. Oh, maybe it was just weed. Maybe it was just weed. Oh no. Very slow moving water here. seeing much trout at all. There's a nice deep pool here actually. See if this produces. Oh, what was that? Oh no, that's weed. So this spot's generally a ripper spot. I've seen some big fish jump out of here, like all through this pond. A lot of fish. And when it's low like this, could be a very different story how it fishes. So I'm gonna try and find some reasonably deep bits so the minnow can. There's a lot of weed in here. I really struggle. So no luck at all. A couple of redfin perch, one follow up from a small trout. Haven't seen any trout at all. None rising. Certainly, I reckon the temperature has definitely, you know, kept the big trout away. I'm going to do a bit of a lure change here. And I'm going to go to an old faithful, this bad boy. Purple, gold and orange. Now I've caught big fish on this bad boy, so hopefully it produces again. Really want to get it as close to that possible, but I don't want to go over the edge, if you know what I mean. Let's see how that cast goes. It's teetering. No strike. Well guys, that was very disappointing. There's been a lot of these missions where Ross and I have gone out, caught nothing. We don't end up putting it up on the YouTube channel. But it's probably a good thing that we do post at least one where we don't catch any fish, because it does happen. You know, one in two, 1 in 3 fishing trips that we go out, film, spend the day, get nothing. We get footage, but we don't actually make a video of it. So I might put this one up just to let you guys know that there is a lot of countless hours that Roscoe and I do and don't get any fish. It's and I'm sure every other angler out there gets that a lot as well. But I mean, it didn't really help. The water's not running, so that really means that fishing here isn't that great when there isn't much water flow, or when the water levels are really low. Could be too hot as well. I didn't see a single trout rise. I saw one trout follow my lure down the river, but they've been very, very scarce, and it does happen. Maybe it's the time of the year when it's really, really, really hot. Trout seem to hide a little bit. Don't want to be out in that sun where predators may see them. So yeah, it could be multiple other reasons, but that's just life, that's fishing. I reckon I will edit it. I'll just say searching for big trout, failed mission type deal. Gonna go to the west coast tomorrow. Gonna do a hike. Gonna visit a really nice mountain on that side there. I was gonna get my drone up, but apparently I've got to do some updates and connect a few things, so that was a fail as well. Couldn't get the drone up because it wasn't working, so hopefully I'll get it working tonight, and then I'm gonna have some clips for tomorrow. Alright guys, yeah, thanks for watching anyway. Sorry for letting you down. Hopefully the next mission or two is a bit more fruitful. But in the meantime, doesn't hurt to give us a like and subscribe, and give us guys a bit of motivation to keep doing this, and hopefully some more successful missions on the way. Alright, cheers guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next vid. Cheers.